What is up, everybody? I wanted to make a quick video and just give a shout out to Jay Forde. Jay Forde designed this 3-stem, and when I first got it I had a little bit of a problem. It had a blemish in it. I reached out to him through Instagram. He got straight back to me. He didn't quarrel or quabble or whatever. He was like, cool man, let me just send you a replacement out. And yeah, it was no sweat. He was happy to do it, and it's an awesome stem. Just a quick review, I've been riding this stem now for about a month and I love it. I love the way it looks. It's super high quality, great customer service, and it made this bike next level for me. I've got it on a 20.5 top tube, so it just kind of shortened everything up for me. So not only is it a killer Flatland stem, it can shorten up the reach. I have a Haro Lineage stem that I love, and this was almost a carbon copy with a shorter reach. So yeah, shout out to Jay for being super cool, getting it shipped out to me, and now I've got a super mint clean 3-stem. It's hard to, there we go. So it's 33 rise, 33 reach, 33 stack. Alright guys, peace out.